Hello, Dr. Jeff Johnston here. Today I wanted to continue my series on hygiene products. I snuck back here in the lab to get this video, so seeing some lab equipment behind me. Let's talk about our second part of our hygiene series. First part we talked about, toothbrushes, and today we're going to talk about floss. There's lots of kinds of floss on the market today. There's wax floss, there's thin floss, there's rope floss, there's expanding floss, there's all kinds of floss out there. I don't care which floss you use as long as you use it. This is the #1 product. Everyone I ask, do you floss? Not as good as I should, or no, not at all. Guys, this stuff right here, this string of floss, it'll save your life. What happens is if we don't floss, the bacteria gets under our gums and goes into our bloodstream. And then we have bacteria floating all around our bodies, and it usually collects in our heart valve somewhere. It's not fun to think about, but a lot of gum disease and people's gums that are really inflamed, they have heart problems down the road. There's a big link to this. So this floss right here, it's not the funnest thing to do, but it's going to save your life ultimately. This is the most important hygiene tool we have. We've got all these electric brushes and fancy gizmos. This right here, the #1 tool. It's the simplest thing. They make floss sticks. They make little holders with floss things on them. There's all kinds of ways to get floss between your teeth. Another thing is flossing once may not be enough. If you floss and food comes out, go back to that site, floss it again, because I guarantee you'll pull some more out of there. Some people have areas where they collect where they collect debris all the time. So be sure and floss it a couple of times. That's my spiel today on floss. This is the #1 tool you can use for care of your teeth and gums. This does a lot. It protects from cavities in between your teeth, keeps your gums real healthy, and gives you good breath, all in this string. So guys, use this floss. I know it's not fun, but this is the key. Okay, thanks guys. See you next week. We'll talk about toothpaste.